Welcome to Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this silky smooth homemade butter. Making butter at home is lots of fun and it's way easier than you might think, so let me show you exactly how. The only ingredient that you're going to need is cream. I'm using fresh cream, which is from a local farmer's market, but you can also use heavy whipping cream that you can find in all supermarkets. Another important thing to note is that your cream needs to be chilled, otherwise it will not whip and everything will just fail. So we're going to transfer the cold cream into the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can even use a hand mixer as well. Now I'm going to attach the whisk attachment, and you can also do this by hand using a whisk or like a mason jar, but you will need a lot of arm muscle for that. Now we're going to beat this on medium speed for about 5 minutes until it starts to get slightly curdled. The full recipe is available in the description box below with tips and tricks so you don't go wrong at any step. Once the mixture looks like this and it is starting to separate but it's not separated fully, we're going to go ahead and turn off the mixer and add in some ice cubes. Once you've added in the ice cubes, cover using the lid or a kitchen towel. Now we're going to beat this on high for another 10 minutes. Ten minutes later and the mixture will look something like this. The butter and the buttermilk will have separated. Now here comes the messy part. You're going to use your hands to put all of that butter into a bowl of cold water. Once you've removed all the butter from the whisk, you can also strain the buttermilk to remove any small pieces that are in there as well. Just make sure not to throw away your buttermilk because you can use that in many recipes. Bring all the pieces together to form one large blob of butter. Now you're going to squeeze this to remove all the excess water. Just squeeze as well as you can. Once you've squeezed out all the water, we're going to go ahead and wash this one more time in a new bowl of cold water. You can also just wash it under some running cold water as well. Squeeze out the excess water and your butter is all ready to go. At this point, you can also add some salt if you want salted butter. To shape the butter, I'm using a small container I have here, and I'm going to add in some parchment paper and use this as a mold. Once the container is full, all I'm going to do is flip it out onto another piece of parchment paper. Peel it off, and that's how easy it is to shape it. Now you can easily fold this and store it in the refrigerator for as long as you'd like. Silky, smooth, creamy, and just irresistible. Once you taste this butter, you're never going to want to eat a store-bought version ever again. I like to keep mine unsalted and pair it with some fig jam on some warm bread. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.